two blind people have a baby, who's gonna watch that baby? Random shower thoughts. Do fish ever get thirsty? If nothing sticks to Teflon, how do they stick Teflon to the pan? If you work in a tea factory, do you get coffee breaks? If a deaf person goes to court, is it still called a hearing? If you get out of the shower clean, how does your towel get dirty? There is no English word that starts with S and ends with S. Why do banks chain the pen but leave the cash drawer unlocked? If a fly loses its wings, is it now called a walk? Why do they put Braille on bank drive-thrus? Why do we call it a beer belly when it's really just a half-barrel keg? If you drop soap in prison but no one's around to see it, do you still pick it up? Why do we say tuna fish but not beef mammal or chicken bird? Why do our noses run but our feet smell? If you work at a mirror factory, do you reflect on your day? Why isn't there mouse-flavored cat food? If quicksand works slowly, why is it called quick? If one teacher can't teach all subjects, why are children expected to learn all subjects? If we can't see air, can fish see water? Why is a boxing ring actually square? Why is flammable and inflammable the same thing? Why do we call it after dark when it's after light? Why do we call it head cheese when there's no cheese in it? Why do we call it a hamburger when it's made of beef? Why do we say free gift when gifts are already free? Why is swims still swims when you turn it upside down in all caps? If a tomato is a fruit, is pasta a noodle or a vegetable? Before the last one, let us know what